Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can put the back button, navigation bar, back home and reset button, how we can put it if your button is not working. So how we can do this. So this is very fantastic to use, so I am going to show you about this. So first of all you have to install this navigation bar, back home, reset button. If your buttons are not working, so you can use by here. Then you have to go to the setting and then you have to open the navigation bar, okay, by your mobile. After that you will come here and you are seeing here this bar, it's coming up and down. So you can use this navigation bar if your buttons are not working. If you want to change, so you can change the color as well of navigation bar. And if you want to open the vibrate on torch, so you can open switch back and reset button. So and position in lock the bar if you want to lock the bar, auto hide. So here are the further setting, reset to default, help to use, uninstall this application if you want. And further setting, long press action, screen, menu power, launch camera, voice, and this thing here you can use this. So if your back home buttons are not working, so you can use this. And if you want to change the back home and reset buttons design, so you can change. So if you will do the custom, these are the unlock, okay, so you can use. If you want to take the customly, you can take customly, and if you want to take all, so you can take all. If I will do on custom, so I can change only one. So this is very fantastic navigation bar, so you can use. And if you want to off, so you can off in this way. And if you want to on, so you have to go again, then you will click, then you will click here navigation bar, then you will get. And these buttons are working as well, you can see these buttons are working. If you will go to back, so easily you can go back, these buttons are working. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my Noor Zainab official and How to Learn, so first go and like and subscribe my both of channel for getting any video. If you want to get educational videos, so you subscribe the Noor Zainab official. And if you want to get any technical videos, so subscribe the How to Learn. Okay guys, so do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.